Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by clocking in and opening the Time Watch app. This registers your shift immediately and begins location tracking so payroll is accurate. Once logged, choose your role, driver, cook, or cashier, because each role maps to different pay codes and break rules. Make sure GPS and Wi-Fi permissions are on to prevent clock failures. If your store requires a store code, enter it now so job events sync to the right location. This prevents missing tips and ensures managers see your hours. Once you're on the floor, switch tasks within the app to record time spent on prep, oven, delivery, or cleanup. This helps payroll classify hours and managers analyze labor. When taking a break, hit start then end so break length is logged correctly. This prevents inadvertent overtime or missed breaks. If you have split shifts or deliveries, add a quick note explaining the change so managers can reconcile tip pools and exceptions. Make sure to save each change so the data syncs to the central system. At shift end, clock out and review the shift summary to confirm total hours, role entries, and recorded breaks to ensure pay accuracy. Once done, check the summary for missing punches, wrong role selections, or unlogged deliveries and tips. Correcting these now avoids payroll headaches. If something is wrong, submit a correction request with exact times, role changes, and a brief note so your manager can approve an adjustment. Quick troubleshooting tip. If the app won't sync, toggle airplane mode, then reconnect to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.